Tie that.
Sometimes the signs are hard to ignore.
Damn, are we still, bro? Still in the tie that.
Whenever you see clothes this clean,
Yo.
that's a tie that.
Okay, you're fried
Be an
me.
indication of a
You're
Tide ad.
fried
Tide
me.
users experience 10 times more cleaning power. Tide is America's #1 detergent in America.
Boom, all gone, yo. Souljayy back in the building, yo. Have our next reaction. What I do? American Super Bowl commercials. As a Jamaican, you know, we just gotta react to the thing them, yo. It's a Super Bowl weekend thing active. You know what I'm saying? Chat. So, you know, I say we go for get into it. Like, subscribe, post notifications, anything, man. So, Super Bowl commercials. Easy free. Let's get into it. So, funny Super Bowl commercials. See what I'm going. This look old. I'm not talking about old lady. God damn.
What is your deal, man?
Oh, come on, man. You've been riding me all day.
Mike, you're playing like Betty White out.
Ayo, just ayo. Ayo. I don't even know if it's a one. Ayo.
That's not what your girlfriend said.
Baby.
See, them is fine words. Like, you see, one like me, I see. Like, I have to go for, like, granny for the catch these hands. You know what I'm saying? But, calm seat.
Better?
Wait, that was a nigga the whole time. So in my top, that's why I said, why you know? Cause I said, yo, that don't even sound right. But I like, yo, but I know I say it's a nigga the whole time, you know.
That hurt.
You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
Ah, this nigga, old nigga. Hey, shout out to Snickers, those niggas be busting though. Hey. Why niggas saying I'm in the commercial, bro? It's not me. Yo, all y'all banned, bro. You wanna get banned, bro? Hold on, I get banned. Hold on. Bo, that's you in the commercial, bro. I kinda wanna get banned, bro. Yeah, that's some nigga shit. I ain't gonna cap.
It's time for E-Trade, the #1 place to invest online.
This round of Bud Lights on me.
All right, thanks, Steve.
Bro, who made these ads, bro? Like, this looks like the ads from back in the 1970s, bro. Like,
Fist bump is out, man.
you know what I'm saying? Like, what am I going with, brother? Damn.
Refreshingly smooth Bud Light.
Bro, what does ad have to do with anything, brother? Bro. America got it, bro.
Always worth it.
Nice
What
job
that guy
in
do
there,
with that,
Larson.
bro?
You saved the account.
Bro, B-Box man in my player, brother. Almost B-Box man in my player, brother. Yo.
Hi. Aw, thank you.
She kind of bad, though. Hold on, she kind of bad, though.
Let's see. Kyle, Jalen, Kyle. Jalen, you play nice. I'll be right back.
Damn, same player. You know what I'm saying? Like, hold on, shawty. I love this shawty, yo. Yo, I mess with a Caribbean man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know how we do it here in the Caribbean, you know what I'm saying? Word.
What's going on, little man? I see you got your game skills down, Pack. You might have your hands full once I pick up the controller, man.
Put it back. Keep your
Damn.
hands on my mama. Keep your hands on my Doritos.
Jalen, are you playing nice?
Hey, that's how I want my son to be. Like, you know what I'm saying? You not finna play with my mama. Word.
Yeah, just your typical Super Bowl car ad. Right?
Word.
Or
Right.
a hilarious beer ad.
Or whatever else.
I don't know what I was like. What? Yo, the white guy look familiar. Yo, who is this nigga, bro? This nigga look familiar as hell.
This is.
Hey, what going on, brother?
It's a Tide ad.
What? It's a Tide ad.
What's a tie
There
that?
are no stains. Look at those clean clothes. What else would this be an ad for?
Diamonds?
A gift that lasts for a no. Tide.
It's time for a cold refreshment.
Okay, listen. This is actually one of the answers that's funny. This actually funny. I
Fall
like
into the
it.
sleep of
Bro, who is this nigga? This nigga look bad familiar, bro. I swear to God.
Tide. No. Tide ad. Extreme.
No. Tide.
Tide!
Meet the all new.
No, it's a Tide
Bad.
ad. Tide.
So, does this make every Super Bowl ad a Tide ad?
Facts.
I think it does. Watch and see. Hello again, ladies.
Listen, that's my number one film. I don't know who that nigga is. That nigga look mad familiar, but like that. Listen, that guy number one on list. That one was funny as hell.
Your man, the kind of man who would climb the height.
Bro, we're still in the end. Yo.
I'm in a Tide ad.
Nice dance.
Yeah, wait.
Get off my horse.
Bro.
Tide ad.
Sometimes the signs are hard to ignore.
Damn, are we still, bro? Still in the tight ad.
Whenever you see clothes this clean,
Yo.
that's a Tide ad.
Okay, yo, you're
clothes may
fried
be an
me.
indication of a
You're
Tide ad.
fried
Tide users
me.
experience 10 times more cleaning power. Tide is America's #1 detergent in America.
Yo, you fried me, bro. Listen, let me guess. This is also a tight ad, bro. Like, yo, bro, I've got your cut. Your cut. They got me, bro. Listen, them catch me,
Like
bro.
a Tide ad.
Alright, bro. Okay, bro. We get it. We get it. Bro, so is this just the rest of the video? This is just the rest of the video is just a tie ad, bro. Like, bro. Sponsor me, Tide. Listen, you know, I'm a little bit close and smell fresh and thing. Like, yo, give me some detergent. You know what I'm saying? Like, when the G smell fresh, man.
Sarah?
No way this is a Tide ad. No, bro. If this is. If this is the. Yo, I was about to say something crazy. Like, a good thing, so I never said nothing like that. Cause, yo. You have to fry me. How they get the budget for that, bro? Cause, bro, military city, the ball, you would think. The ball, man, the man. Okay, you frying my brain, bro. Like, this is actually funny as shit. Okay, so it's a tight ad. Oh my god, boy, it's a tight ad. Like,
Just like you
listen.
want to know, sales aren't up. They're down.
So it's a tight ad. The monkeys are wearing flea suits. It's a tight ad. Is it done? Is it done? We done the tight ads?
We've got the most. CareerBuilder.com.
Okay,
So it
it's
seems
no
pretty
longer a
clear
tight ad.
that,
Okay.
buying lottery tickets is not a good business plan. That's weird. So, very funny.
I don't think
Seems like
nothing
we got a
beating
lot to
that,
get through.
bro.
All right, if we look
I mean, I
together,
think no.
okay, come on.
No one beating that tight ad. Listen, shout out to the Tide marketing team, bro. Y'all niggas hit with that one. Not gonna cap.
Want a new job? We've got the most. CareerBuilder.com.
Is this also a tight end?
Good afternoon and welcome.
I'm just asking.
I say good afternoon and welcome. Can we release the masks? Just take them off. How can we be as secret? How can we be a secret society if we can't keep all of our secrets?
Do they know we faked the moon landing?
No, not yet.
Or that there are only 49 shades of gray?
They're suspicious, but that's not what I'm talking about.
What about Bigfoot?
Bigfoot's not real and everyone knows that.
Did they figure out we deflated the footballs?
No, we found a fall guy for that one.
Bigfoot's definitely real.
Nope.
We'll just have to agree to disagree.
What about Area 51? Do they know about that?
No.
How about Area 52 to 54?
No, stop saying areas. No areas plus a number.
Literally hundreds of photos of Bigfoot.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw him once. Wait,
See?
wait, Bigfoot?
This the white folk. This the Illuminati. This the
I'm not looking
American
at you, Ann.
Illuminati. This the white folk.
Scott! What they do know is that avocados from Mexico have good fat.
So they know
Is this
they're
a Taco Bell ad?
Everything. Kyle,
Is
are
this
you
a Taco
streaming this?
Bell ad?
Is that not cool?
No, it's not cool. That's what secret means. It's a secret society.
Oh, wow. Secret. Yep. Hey, I got a like.
You got a like?
That was me.
I like you too.
Right. Old people.
At least they don't know about subliminal advertising. That's not even a thing, right?
Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados of Mexico.
Some people thought we were crazy. But I'm a firm believer in paradigm breaking. Outside the box.
Yo, that brother look dark it up. Yo, you might be a Russian spy, buddy. You might be a Russian spy. You're good. You're good. You're good.
I was thinking.
Hey, buddy.
Break was over 15 minutes ago, Mitch!
And since Terry's been with us,
Damn.
our productivity has gone up
That's Terry? That was like, damn, that doesn't look like Terry.
46%.
Damn!
More from our employees.
Nah. See, I would say we gotta throw hands, but like, see, you have to just pull out the switch. Can I do that? Can I? You know what? Never mind.
You know you need a cover sheet on your TPS reports, Richard. That ain't new, baby.
Hey, Terry.
Hey, Janice.
Yo, Terry.
What's really impressed me is how Terry's become part of the Felcher family.
Bro,
He fits right in.
relax. Okay, so like, listen, I'm not clocking in to no 9 to 5 to get no, you know what I'm saying, and then I get a concussion. Like niggas really trying to turn niggas' brains to smush. You know what I'm saying? That ain't happening.
That's a long distance call, Doug.
I'm leaving
To be
same
honest,
day. I'm
I
leaving
wish
same
Reebok
day.
sent us 10 Terry Tates.
Yeah, this nigga.
You wanna play games, Gene? Well, when it's game time, it's pain time, baby. Woo!
Hey, shout out to Terry Tate. That's a reboot, guys.
Oh, no. Rod, you sent this email, reply all.
Reboot.
You hit reply all.
Hey, listen, chat. That was all the funniest Super Bowl ads. Listen, if y'all mess with it, like, subscribe.
You know I was wrong.
There
You
was
just
really
sent this
only
email to me.
the funniest ones were,
For
you know what I'm
drivers who want to
saying?
get the most out of their cars, it's Bridgestone. Or
Obviously, the tie ad. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all fuck with it, like, subscribe. Just like that, man. I'm gone.
Yo, mean, play that shit.
God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I was.